Got this 1969 Lowlight for sale, fully restored. We've done it in Savannah beige, done all the bodywork, fully welded. Beautiful paint, nice upholstery, runs beautifully, just a 1600 in it, but it gets along pretty well. It's inside, the front. Obviously it's a Kombi, so it's pretty simple, but looks all nice. Starts and runs easily. We've done a bit of work to the brakes and general tune-up. Nice rock and roll bed there. There's the motor. Runs really smoothly. Done all the points and the lead plugs and fuel filter. Timing. So it runs really well. New master cylinder. A lot of new stuff just all around it. Beautiful splitty looking rear end. Give us a buzz.